Okay, so next up here, what we're going to do is take a look at rotating a secret key within AWS in the console. And what we're going to do is we're going to use Secret Server to facilitate this particular process. But I'm not going to show you the secret key. We're just going to go and we're going to take a look at the audit trail and how that works along with this, so we can view that and how that's going to work within this process. So let's get right to it. So we're going to come over to Overview, and we're going to go to what's called Change Password Now. Now we can either do this on an automatic interval, a cadence of your choosing, or we can do it on a change window for instance, and just hit Change Password Now. So what we're going to do is click the Change Password, and we're going to rotate this key. So we're going to boom, come in here, click that, and give it a minute here. It's going to go out and recycle that key, and then we'll look in the audit capability of Secret Server and see that it was rotated. So give it a minute. And so we can see it succeeded. So we're going to come back over here to the audit now, and we're going to see that the password was displayed a little while ago, and then we did an update to it, and then we see that the password was changed. So that is in essence what we're doing with rotating that key within the AWS console. And thank you for watching.